Hey guys, Chase with TruAudio. Today I'm thrilled to be able to introduce our new revolutionary 10 and 12-inch SubTerrains, known as the ST10 Pro and the ST12 Pro. Right away, you will notice the compact size coming in with a footprint that is 40% smaller. The smaller the footprint means a smaller hole to be dug. We have completely redesigned our burial subwoofers, going from a bandpass enclosure to a sealed enclosure to completely eliminate the chance of water leaking into the enclosure. We have moved the woofer to the top of the chamber, allowing for serviceability without having to dig up the subwoofer. We have included anchor points on the exterior of the SubTerrains to allow you to keep them from floating up out of the dirt in high moisture environments. The ST10 Pro remains a 4 ohm sub, while the ST12 Pro has both 4 ohm and 70 volt options. The install process with the new Pro Series subs is even easier with the smaller footprint and the built-in handles. These subs wire up exactly the same as our legacy SubTerrains. When it comes time to tuck your subs in for winter, we are now including a debris cap with every sub that effortlessly slides over the top and cinches down. Finally, when you first turn them on, you will immediately notice the same acoustic performance you have come to know and love, but with even more output. Check out our new Pro Series SubTerrains along with the rest of our outdoor products at TruAudio.com.